Hey, it's Angela from the blog Angela Marie Made. Today I'm going to share 5 bathroom flooring ideas that are budget friendly and the pros and cons of each of them. We're in the planning phase for our guest bathroom makeover, and I've been trying to make a decision about what flooring to use because our current tile is really outdated and dingy. I thought it would be helpful to share what budget-friendly bathroom flooring options are available and what I'm considering because bathroom flooring can get expensive really fast, but it's also one of the best ways to transform a bathroom, so it's definitely worth updating. I will link all of the options that I talk about below this video in the description box. Also, one last thing to keep in mind is that if you have a smaller bathroom, it is going to be more budget friendly to update the flooring than a large bathroom because you're going to need less material and it's going to be a less labor intensive room to update. Option number 1 is floor paint. One of the cheapest and easiest DIY updates are painting your floor. You can paint old tile, laminate, wood, vinyl. You just clean your floor and paint it, and in some cases you add a top coat. A few years ago, I gave our master bath a $100 makeover, and I updated the floor by just painting over the old tile with regular interior latex paint, and I used a top coat of polyurethane on it. Although you can update your floor with regular paint, I recommend using an actual floor paint. And more recently, we updated our back porch floor tile with actual floor paint. We used the Rust-Oleum floor paint to paint over our old pink tile a fresh, pretty gray, and I really love the end result. With floor paint, you can even jazz it up a little more and add a painted stencil design over the painted tile. No matter what paint you end up using, even if you actually use floor paint tile, it's likely to chip over time, so you might have to do touch-ups. I think that painting floor tile is a great temporary solution, but it's not the best long-term solution because it's not very durable. Option number 2 is peel and stick vinyl tile. Peel and stick vinyl tile is another inexpensive option that's really easy to install. Although it does cost a little bit more than paint depending on your room size, it's still something that you can easily do yourself. You don't need professional installation, and it's something that can be done in a day or a weekend. After cleaning your floor, you just peel the backing off and you stick it down on your floor. Although you do have to make some special cuts with it depending on what's in your room. We haven't used this in one of our bathrooms before, but we did use this in our old kitchen at our old house to update the old laminate flooring. It made a really big difference for a low cost. The great thing about peel and stick tile is there are a lot of great design options available on the market today. I'll link some of my favorites below, including some that I'm considering for our current bathroom makeover. Another pro with this flooring option is that you can just stick it over your old floor tile. You don't have to remove your old flooring, and you don't need to use grout or any kind of special tools. The cons are that it's typically water resistant and not waterproof, so it's not as durable for a really high traffic bathroom that gets really wet. Another con is that up close it can look really cheap, and also over time they might separate depending on the quality of them. Overall though, peel and stick vinyl tile is another great short-term solution. Option number 3 is luxury vinyl plank tile. Luxury vinyl plank tile looks like real tile, but it's actually vinyl. There's no grout or mortar involved, and there are a lot of waterproof options available on the market. We used a waterproof luxury vinyl plank tile that looks like slate in our small bathroom makeover at our old house. I really loved it. It's a floating vinyl floor, which is really nice because no glue or sticky adhesive is involved. It was relatively easy to install. We just laid it over our old flooring. The vinyl tiles interlock together with an interlocking tongue and groove system. The hardest part was interlocking a tile into the tile above it and next to it. Luxury vinyl plank tile is more expensive than the peel and stick vinyl tile, but it's definitely a higher quality option and a great solution for a bathroom in the long run. I think the biggest con for this flooring is that there aren't that many stylish design options available for it. The slate one that I used in our old bathroom is one of the best looking ones that I've seen. Option number 4 is waterproof laminate flooring. Laminate flooring is another great long-term solution for bathrooms, and there are a ton of options that look like real wood. You can install it yourself or hire it out. It's similar to the vinyl plank tile with the interlocking tongue and groove. We haven't used this type of flooring yet in a bathroom, but we did use it for our son's nursery, and I totally love it. We used Pergo Outlast. It's waterproof and extremely durable. It also really looks like real hardwoods and comes in wide plank sizes, which looks more like high-end wood flooring. It's super easy to clean as well. I really love the look of it, and it's one of my favorite flooring options for any room. I'll link the color that we used for it below this video, but it comes in a bunch of beautiful colors. I think the biggest con is that it can be a little bit harder to install yourself, especially for a larger room, although it's definitely still doable in a weekend. Also, because the material is so durable, we ended up having to buy a new miter saw blade because the material really gunked up on our saw blade. Finally, the last budget-friendly option is ceramic and porcelain tile. Ceramic and porcelain tile are really great for bathrooms and high moisture spaces. Tile is waterproof and really durable. It comes in so many different options, so you can really custom design a bathroom almost any way you want with tile. Tile can be one of the more expensive options, especially if you have to hire it out. But if you pick an inexpensive tile or you DIY the install yourself, it can be a really affordable option. In our master bath makeover, we installed a hexagon porcelain tile that looks like real marble. It was our first tile job, and it took a lot of time, effort, and patience, but it was totally worth it for the cost savings and the beautiful high-end result. I absolutely love this tile, and I have a full video review of it that I'll link below. I think the biggest negatives with tile are having to do the demo of the old tile and the installation process of it. Also, having to clean and maintain grout over time is not fun. No matter what bathroom flooring you end up choosing, it's important to always get samples first to make sure that you like the look and quality of it in person. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor videos. I'll be sharing more bathroom projects soon, so make sure to follow along. Thanks for watching.